What's good, everybody? Corey Charisma here from Cool Coffee Culture, and today we got a video for you guys on how to implement gradient layers in your application. No more white backgrounds. We got to sauce it up a bit. With that being said, let's get into the code. Okay, guys, let's get started. So I made an application. I did this off screen. So I want you guys to make a regular single view application. Go to your view controller.swift file, and we're going to operate right here in this super view.load. Okay. So we're going to go through this step by step. So the first step we're going to do, we're actually going to make the actual function that we're actually going to call to make this gradient. We're going to call it setup. Call it setup gradient. Just in case, just so that we don't get mixed up with not calling the function. We're going to call it right now, even though there's nothing actually happening inside the function. But let's just call it so we can get that done. Now let's get to the nitty gritty. We're going to make a property or an attribute called gradient layer. And it's going to be a CA gradient layer, Okay, once we do that, now we have to actually make each. I'm doing 2 colors. You could do more if you like, but I'm going to do 2. So we're going to make another variable called color1. And we're going to use the color literal. And I actually have the actual hexadecimals I want to use off screen, so give me 1 second. You can use whatever hexadecimal you want. Make some cool colors. I'm gonna use this nice purple color. This is pretty dope. Oh, it's actually messed up. There we go. Color 2. Let's do color 2. Again, we're going to use a color literal. Boom. Double click on that. You hit other one, you want to enter your own particular one. You can either like play with the sliders if you like, or if you know a particular hexadecimal that you want, just type that in, it'll definitely get it for you. Boom, there we go. Now we have both the colors we actually want. Now we have to store both of these colors in an array. So what we're going to do is gradient layer dot colors equals, we're going to use these brackets because that's the array syntax. And we're going to do color1, and we have to extend CG color, because if it doesn't, the colors don't come out correct. It gets a little funky. Color2 dot CG color. Now we have our colors in an array. Now we have to the gradient layer dot locations, and this is picking where you want to start and stop the actual colors. We want them to start and stop. I'm going to do 0, 1, just to do like right up in the corner. Nice standard gradient. And then we're going to do view dot layer dot add sublayer, because you're adding the gradient layer to the actual view. Boom. So we added the gradient layer that we made right here. We made both our colors, color 1, color 2. We put both colors in an array. We set the location for the actual colors, location 0 and 1, to actually pinpoint where you want the colors to start and stop. And then we added the actual gradient layer that we just made. We actually added it to the view so that when you run the actual code, you actually can see it. Now, gradient layer, one more step, gradient layer, come on computer, there you go, gradient layer dot frame equals view dot bounds. Boom. Now we're gonna run our code. We're gonna see what we get. Running, build, succeed. I love to see that. Boom, boom. Where is this? Boom, there you go. And that is our gradient layer right there. It's looking nice, it's looking good. That is it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. That is how you implement our gradient layer in your application. Thank you guys for joining me here. I'll see you guys at the next tutorial. Peace.